right, I'm Dr. R. Deuk Machen. We're at Deuk Spine Institute, and my patient here sitting next to me just had his back fixed yesterday with a Deuk laser disc repair. And for those of you who watched it live on Facebook, we were on both sides at L34. And tell me where you came from to have
I
this
came
done.
from Queens in New York City. I flew down to Melbourne because that is where the best treatment was. Money means nothing if you can't enjoy your life. So I spent the money, and I'm so satisfied. When I walked into this clinic yesterday morning, that was Tuesday morning, I could barely walk. Within 4 hours, I was up and walking without any help, with no pain, absolutely no pain in my back at all. And I walked out with just a Band-Aid on my back. I was so satisfied with this procedure. It is an unbelievable procedure.
Thank you. Now, you found us on the internet, right?
Yes, I did.
How did you find us?
I went on Facebook and I searched for laser spine surgery, and your video showed up, your live surgery showed up, and I watched it. I had no idea what I was watching, but I watched it and I was very interested. So I called up the Deuk Institute, and I got instructions to send over my MRI, which I did, and the next day they got back to me. They explained the procedure to me, and then the next day after that, I had a Skype interview with the doctor. It's the first time I ever met him or saw him, and gave me so much confidence in what he could do for my for treatment. I've been in pain for 40 years, always thinking it was muscle problem. So 2 years ago, I went to a gym thinking that I was going to develop my muscles again, and it really was no improvement at all. At that time, I was an amateur astronomer. I played guitar in a band, and I went fishing a lot, and after a few years, I had to give it all up. And my life was mainly living in my apartment and not going out, afraid to walk down the block, because every 100 feet either I have to bend over to relieve the pain or sit down. I get up after about 5 minutes, I go another 100 feet. It was a horrible life. And since I've been here and I had this operation yesterday, my back is straight. I have no pain at all, absolutely no pain. The procedure was painless. I highly recommend this procedure for anybody with back pain.
And that's why we do it, because we want people to have their life back and have good quality and be out of pain.
Absolutely.
Congratulations.
Thank you very, very much. You
Great.
saved my life.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Thank you. All right, let's get you